Bora Bora. Small South Pacific island in French Polynesia. Located in the heart of the South Pacific is the small coral island of Bora Bora, surrounded by sand-fringed motus, islets, and a turquoise lagoon protected by a coral reef. It's known for its scuba diving. It's also a popular luxury resort destination where some guest bungalows are perched over the water on stilts. The island is 11.3 square miles and lies about 140 miles northwest of Tahiti. Bora Bora hosts an extinct volcano with two peaks, with the tallest one reaching 2,385. There are lush green peaks that slope down into the crystal clear lagoon and majestic barrier reef that surrounds the majority of the island. This reef provides the perfect conditions for viewing aquatic wildlife. Bora Bora is quite small and visitors can travel around the island via car in about an hour. The lagoon surrounding the island is about 3 times the landmass of the island itself. The majority of the island's inhabitants live in Vitape on the western side of the island. There is no doubt that Bora Bora is one of the most beautiful places on the planet. It is appropriately nicknamed the Romantic Island, and I think paradise would fit just as well. But since we all already know how beautiful of a place this is, I figured I would give you a few fun Bora Bora facts about this spectacular island. This way you can perhaps impress your friends the next time you see a photo of a tiki hut set beautifully atop the Pacific Ocean. 10 interesting facts about Bora Bora. Number 1. The island is nestled on the waters about 230 kilometers, 143 miles, northwest of Perched. It is surrounded by a lagoon and a barrier reef. Number 2. During the World War II, United States chose Bora Bora as a supply outpost for its South Pacific fleet. It acted as an oil depot, airstrip, and seaplane base. Some defensive fortifications were constructed around it. Number 3. Did you know that in Tahitian language, from which the word Bora Bora was picked, does not have a B? Rather, it has letter P, and thus the island is called Pora Pora, which is translated to mean firstborn in English. Number 4. The movie Couples Retreat, starring Vince Vaughn and Jon Favreau, was shot at the St. Regis Resort Bora Bora, which appeared on screen as the Eden Resort. The cast claimed that they were on an acting vacation during the 5 weeks they spent at the resort. Number 5. Bora Bora is one of the most secluded islands on the planet. If in doubt, sample this. The island of Hawaii gets more visitors in 10 days than the whole of French Polynesia gets in a whole year. Number 6. What's your idea of paradise? Beautiful beaches? Good food? Unpolluted environment? Well, Bora Bora has all of this. But what really makes it a paradise is that there are no poisonous insects or snakes. You can sleep on the beach without risking a snake bite. Number 7. If you put a flower on your left ear, it is an indication that you have someone special in your life. If on the other hand you put it on your right ear, it means you are ready to mingle, and Bora Bora natives will spoil you with flirts. Number 8. Among the native French Polynesians, the island of Bora Bora is known as the Romantic Paradise. Number 9. Half of the population of Bora Bora is below 20 years. Expect to see many beautiful people enjoying the sun on the beaches. Number 10. The island of Bora Bora is surrounded by several beautiful islets that includes Motu Tapu, Motu Ahuna, Tevairoa, Motu Tane, Motu Mute, Motu Tufari, Motu Pitiarai, Sofital Motu, Motu Tupua, and Tupuiti. The island of Bora Bora is one of the best places on Earth to honeymoon. With the seclusion found on the beaches, you can even consummate your marriage on the beach. Bora Bora is an incredible vacation spot that has a little something for everyone. If you like this video and you would like to know more about Bora Bora or other amazing travel videos, join us right around the world by subscribing to our channel. We create videos discussing amazing travel facts, natural phenomena, animals, and unbelievable destination locations.